In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the focused inbox in Microsoft Outlook. Now, this is a handy feature for those who like to see all emails at once rather than having them sorted automatically. It's very easy to switch off and we'll walk through the entire process together. First things first, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you're unfamiliar with this, Outlook is a widely used email and calendar software developed by Microsoft, offering a variety of features to keep you organized and connected. You can access Outlook either through the desktop version or via your web browser by visiting the Microsoft Outlook website. Whichever method you choose is just up to your personal preference or what you might already have set up. Once you're on the Microsoft Outlook page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a sign in button there. Go ahead and click on it. If you haven't signed in already, this is the time to do so. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Once you've entered your credentials, click on any button that completes the sign-in process, and soon you'll be looking at your Outlook email. Now that you've successfully signed in, shift your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you should see the View option. This is your gateway to altering how you see your emails. Click on View and another menu should unfold before you. In this new menu, one of the options you'll find is View Settings. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust various display settings within Outlook. So go ahead and select View Settings to delve a bit deeper. From here you'll have various choices to manage how your emails are organized. At this point you need to choose the option labeled Don't Sort My Messages. This is what will disable the focused inbox feature. By selecting this, you'll be ensuring that all your emails are displayed together in one single view instead of being separated into focused and other. Once you've made that change, remember to save your settings. Look for the save button and make sure to click it to confirm your changes. This small step is crucial as it ensures that your adjustments are locked in and you won't have to repeat this process next time. And there you have it. You've just turned off the focused inbox in Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple process that gives you more control over how you view your emails. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to toggle the focused inbox on or off in the future. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.